Matarasi bwana.
Anabwata museso. Manyamba bwatete. What's up, guys? Here you are. Thank you so much for coming here. My name is Graccey Mission. For my channel subscribers, thank you so much. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. I'm talking live from the village, and you can see this is manure here. We call it compost manure, but then it's not compost. Compost means you have to put it maybe inside a hole so that you continue mixing the dry garbages and the other. This is cow dung and the napier grass, dry napier grass. So we have to take it to the napier grass where we have planted them so that they may grow in a nice way. This is manure. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Continue watching until the end. Support your girl here. Don't skip the hours. I'm very much happy actually. Thank you. And this is how we do it. So I have to use a spade. Is it a spade? Or a shovel? Is it a shovel? I think it is a shovel. So I have to use it to scoop the cow down. When you have cut the napier grass, you have to just prepare the weeding, and then you put this garbage on top of where you have dug. And that's what we are doing actually. You can leave some comments if you have ever done this, if this is how you do it, or there's a different way how you do it at your place or at your village. And this is we are not doing zero grazing. Yeah. So this is a traditional way otherwise. And with the graccey, you have to be dirty. You have to be dirty. You have to wear safety boots. You have to wear safety boots. You can see these ones, they are very big, but they can help me not to step on the cow dung. Yeah. I have a machete. This machete here has a special way to a farmer. You have to have these. And here I have tomato grass. As usual, you have to bring them earlier, like 1 day before you feed to your cows, so that you may split them like this and then you give to your cows. So I have to add like, you have to wear gloves, but I don't have. I don't have gloves. So I have to do it in a local way. Like, yeah. So you have to have a stump of a tree so that it will be easier for you to carve it. But other people use machines outside there, but then you can use your hand if you are strong. If what you want to do at your garden or to your animals. Yeah. This is when you have one cow, but those ones who have zero grazing, it's much different. It's much different. So this is what we do here. So now I have put the fire on, and actually here at the village we usually use firewood. This is a local kitchen, and up here you can see firewood. Usually we put them up here so that they're gonna dry because of the smoke that goes up. And that is the door, and this is the window here. Yeah. So now the water is ready, so I have to reduce the water because I'm going to make porridge, and this is the flour that I have. I'm going to do it in a local way, so I have to add water to the flour. Yeah, to the flour, and then you stir the, this is how we do it. You stir until it is ready and fine, and then I have to add the water that has boiled. So when we don't have power, we use this koroboy here. When we don't have power, when like power has gone. So this is the koroboy here. Usually it is found at the village, and we usually use paraffin. Use paraffin, so that that's an emergency, an emergency, an emergency lamp. This one here, yeah. So we have to actually, let's go. I have to add sugar now. So I have to add sugar. So like it's ready when it has like you see this purples come up. That means that it is ready. And I have to add sugar now. You have to add sugar. After adding sugar, you stir. Yeah. You stir. Now it is ready to serve. You can serve it for breakfast. Yeah, that is it. And usually we keep sugar here. Just to have a container, so that a container that has a lid, that's where we keep sugar. Yes. Yeah. It is ready, and usually we don't have even a rag to. You have to use. I usually use boxes so that I hold the soup here. So I have to put them in this jug. In this jug. Also here. So So from there you can serve. Mainly mine, I usually remain it inside the soup so that it cannot get cold. And then I gonna do like this. You just make it round so that it's gonna get ready for drinking. It's gonna get cold. Yeah. Okay. Cooking, you just remove the firewood. Usually these ones are not dry, so I have to put them up here. I have to arrange them up here so that, yeah, like that, so that they gonna continue drying, so that the smoke gonna reduce. This is how we usually put them here. You arrange them here, yeah. So you leave them there to dry. When you are going to use them again, no stress of cooking. The smoke will reduce because the firewood are dry. Yeah. Ooh, darling. Thank you so much. You have seen us. We have gone through all through up to this time here. I'm talking live from the village. You can see here. Usually, it's amazing here. We usually use this our touching house. It's very much a preservative with the smoke. You cannot die inside. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing. I may end up this video here. Ciao, ciao, bye bye.